Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's tutorial I'm going to be doing a double space bun, and as you can see I've already parted my hair into two. So I'm just taking off the twist on one side of the part and combing it out. Once I'm done combing it out, I'm going to saturate it with water, apply gel and pack it up. And as usual, I'm going to be using my Eco Styler gel to gel the hair. So I'm just smoothing out with my brush before packing it. Now I'm just going to proceed to twist up the hair and wrap it into a knot, or should I say a mini bun. So I'm just taking another brush to smoothing down the edges. This particular brush was the wrong choice because you guys, this brush is hard, like very hard, but that was what I had at the time, so I had to make do. I'm just going to go on ahead and do the same thing for the other side of the hair. It's basically the same procedure, losing the twist, comb it out, spray some water on it, and then apply gel and pack it up. This style is really very easy. In 5 minutes you could be done. I think the only challenging part had to do with parting my hair. Like I had a difficult time trying to part it equally, especially at the back. But I tried my best to get it as even as possible. So now that I'm done gelling both sides, I'm just going to put a scarf over it and let it dry. It's not completely dry, but we look good. Yes, no? So yeah, I'm just going to proceed to adding the dressing puff that I made to my hair. This color is really very daring. This is the boldest I've gone, and I think I tried, and I'm glad I I went with my guts and did this color. I think it suits me. Although I must confess, when I was applying this, I didn't know how it was going to turn out, but I'm glad I did. So it's just basically the same procedure. Wrap the edges around your hair and then pin it down with a bobby pin just for extra hold. I have a tutorial in my previous video showing how I make my own drawstring ponytail. So if you would love to see that, then do watch my previous video, or you can also check my blog. I'll leave a link below showing how I made this exact afro puff that I'm applying on my hair. So yeah, that's basically it. I'm just going to keep fluffing with my hands till I'm satisfied, and that's it for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share my video with your family and friends, and also please, before you go, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.